So here we are. Now our next topic is that is fragmentation. So basically fragmentation, the unicellular organism body break fragments and from that a whole new organism form. So basically fragmentation is a process where the unicellular organism breaks into fragments from that a whole new organism was formed, and we see the example Spirogyra. In Spirogyra case, the fragment that breaks develop to generate into a whole new spiral. But this procedure is not applicable for multicellular. Why it is not applicable? Because cells are grouped into tissues, grouped to form tissues, and tissues are grouped to form organ, and organs forms organ system. So basically that becomes impossible for a single cell to regenerate the entire organ system. So that is why there are specific system for reproduction. But in case of unicellular organism, in unicellular there are some totipotency cell that form a whole organism. So basically, if we summarize the fragmentation, the unicellular organism body breaks into fragments, and that fragments grow into whole new organism, and not applicable to multicellular organism. Why? Because the cells are grouped together to form tissues, and tissues are grouped together to form organ, and organs are grouped together to form organ system. And they are specific. That is why there are specific system for reproduction. But in case of unicellular, there are some top 2% cells that forms a whole organism, and these cells have a potency to form a whole organism, and that's why they call the top 2%. Basically, a cell from which whole organism reproduce or formed is called totipotent cell. Basically, a cell that forms a whole organism, a cell from which a whole organism reproduces or formed is called totipotent cell. Basically, a cell that gives rise to a whole new organism and is called totipotent cell, and the ability is called totipotency. And basically, in fragmentation, a spirogyra fragmented, and from that fragments, fairly whole new organism get reproduced. New organism. From the fragment, a whole new organism produced. That is basically we can say the summary of the fragmentation. From a fragment, a whole organism reproduces.